Hello, in today's video we're going to be changing the tube in the rear tyre of the 1054. As you can see, the tyre's in quite good condition, but last year when we took it to 2 tractor shows, when we were loading it back in the van for the second time, we managed to break the valve off. So, what we're going to be doing is, because these tyres are tubeless, instead of just replacing the valve, we're going to put a tube in the tyre. The reason we're putting a tube in a tubeless tyre is because it's starting to crack. Let me just show you. Several years ago, we bought a tyre changer with the help of someone called Alan, who's a retired engineer and has made a fantastic half-size wheel horse D-series. Because we don't have enough space in the workshop to permanently mount the tyre changer to the floor, we've put it on wheels. So now we just need to bolt it down to the floor. We've got the tyre changer bolted down. We only managed to use one of the previous fixings, so we had to re-drill the floor and put 2 more in, but we're now ready to get started. Now for the other side. There we go. I've just put some tyre cream around the tyre, and I'm just now going to finish it off. I've just realised that I haven't actually done the next job using the tyre lever. It's always been Dad's job because I haven't ever been strong enough to. Right. Here we go. Just got this side of the valve. There we go, it's up. To take the rim out fully, but what we're going to do is go like this and then see if inside to see if there's any sharp bits in there and remove the remnants of the old valve. We've got the rest of the valve out, and we felt round in the tyre and there's nothing sharp, but there is loads of random bits of dirt, so we thought we'd use the vacuum cleaner. This is tube, and what I'm now going to do is put the tube in the tyre, but we're not going to record it because it's very fiddly and I'll probably need a second pair of hands. It's now time to put the tyre on the rim. As you know, I'm Joseph, Garden Tractor Boy, or GTB, and I have an assistant for today.
Hello.
GTD, Garden Tractor Dad.
I'm even allowed to talk on the video.
And also the advantage of this is if the tube gets a hole in, I have someone else to blame. There we go. Dad's gone back to sleep and it's now time to bump the tyre back onto the rim. We've pulled out the valve to get more air in. We now just need to put the valve in and then inflate the tyre to the right pressure. Now going to finish with the dust cap and then taking the temporary wheel off the 1054. We just put some copper anti-seize in the threads, and now to put on the original tyre. That's another good job done, and all we need to do now is take the tyre changer off the floor. But that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye.